In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a domain in your Godaddy account. Whether you're setting up a website for a business, blog, or personal project, securing the right domain name is a crucial first step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you know exactly what to do to get your domain up and running efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Godaddy account. You can do this by heading to the Godaddy website and clicking on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you haven't yet created an account with Godaddy, there's an option to set one up by following their simple registration process. They make it quite intuitive, so in just a few moments, you should be good to go. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Godaddy dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for a button that says Domains on the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you'll be managing all your domains. Now, you should see an option labeled Search for Domains, and this is where you can begin your journey to finding and purchasing your desired domain name. Type the name you have in mind into the search bar. Godaddy's system will quickly check the availability of that domain. If the domain name is available, it's your lucky day. You can select Add to Cart next to the domain to begin the purchasing process. If it's not available, Godaddy will often suggest alternative names or different domain extensions that might be perfect for you. This is a great feature if you have a specific direction in mind but need to slightly pivot to find an available name. After settling on an available name that suits your needs, click Continue to Cart. At this point, Godaddy will offer you additional features like privacy protection or email packages. Take the time to consider these extras, as privacy protection, for instance, can help keep your personal information secure. Review your cart carefully to ensure everything looks correct and that you haven't added anything inadvertently. Now, proceed to checkout. Here, you'll choose your payment method and enter the required details before confirming your purchase. Once you've completed the purchase, you should receive an email confirming that your domain is active, which is a great transition to the next steps of creating your actual website. There you have it, a complete guide to creating a domain on Godaddy. With just a few simple steps, your new domain is now ready to be used. Keep in mind that having a clear and memorable domain can significantly impact your online presence. So, congratulations on taking this important step, and happy website building!